Hey y'all, I'm Jamie Deen. I'm back here in Mama's kitchen. It's summertime and it is hot. So today we're gonna do a delicious drink. I've got some tea here. So this is it. I boiled our water. How much is this, Teresa?
4 cups.
4 cups of water we boiled, and I got a big tea bag that I'm seeping in here. I'm gonna let it seep maybe just for a couple more minutes because I've had this going. About 20 minutes is enough time. It's a beautiful color. We've had tea, y'all. We used to drink sweet tea for breakfast when I was growing up. Hand to the Lord. Good morning. Here's your eggs. Here's your sweet tea. Every day. I drank so much sweet tea when I was growing up that very, very rarely do I drink straight up traditional sweet tea anymore. I just had too much when I was young. But if you add a little bit of fruit, there's a couple of things that you can do to tea to really make it delicious and explode with your summer flavors. So Teresa, who I love you, Teresa.
Thank you.
She has taken this watermelon and she has cut down half of it. She has pureed it and strained it. This is the other half of this watermelon. This is fresh, delicious, ice cold watermelon juice, and we're gonna be using that. So now that our tea is steeped enough, I'm gonna go ahead and get it into our carafe here. Just gonna make a little bit of a mess because why not? I'm in the kitchen. And now we're gonna dissolve our tea. You know, you gotta dissolve your sugar in your tea while it's hot, or it'll never, never, never dissipate. It'll be grainy and gross. So go ahead and add your sugar in while it's hot. We're gonna stir this up until it completely dissolves. Now here is the really toughest part of this recipe. We're gonna wait until it cools off. Now how long y'all think that's gonna take? I don't know. Stick around, find out. We'll be back in a few minutes. Hey y'all, I'm back. We got our watermelon tea. I got Henry here with me. He's the best taste tester around, at least today. Matthew Deen will give him a run for his money. So I've boiled the water. I've taken our tea bag. We've steeped it for about 20 minutes. We dissolved 2 cups of sugar into here. Teresa has taken half a watermelon and she's given it the treatment. We run it through our blender. She strained it. It's been in the refrigerator for 2 days.
And it's a seedless watermelon.
Seedless watermelon. Check out the big brain on Henry. So I'm gonna add our watermelon juice to our tea. Stir this up. This is truly a special summer drink. Watermelon tea, y'all. Henry, you ready?
Yes, sir.
One of the favorite things about drinks that I like, and you know, they do some crazy garnishes on drinks, but garnishing a drink is really fun, and especially when you're dealing with watermelon. I'm gonna take off a piece of watermelon here for Henry's drink. What do you think, Hen? Big one or small?
Big.
We'll go big. I'm gonna split this right here on the glass for Henry. We'll drop in a little piece of mint. Henry, I guarantee you this is the finest watermelon tea that you've had all day long. Wait. Cheers. Cheers, y'all.
That is really good. It's nice and
Ooh,
sweet.
that is good. This is the best thing that we've cooked all day today. This watermelon tea is delicious. Y'all call Teresa, have her come over, do all the watermelon stuff for you. And then when you get done, you can sit on the porch and eat watermelon and have drinks. I'm Jamie Deen. This is a good drink. We'll see y'all around the kitchen. Thanks, Hen.
You're welcome.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.